Turn on the lights and there's dust everywhere. Let's clean it. Grab a rocket dust blower and blow. Not a good job there. Let's switch to a brush. Stroke it gently or hard. Much better. Now get a lens spray and spray it.
No, not to the lens, idiot. To the screen.
And wipe it. Do the same for the keyboard.
Blow it. Stroke it. Squirt some liquid, then clean up. Oh, don't forget the touchpad too. It also deserves some love. There we go. Finished. And now you can use the screen as a mirror.